Morning, ma'am. This is my soap basket. So, as you can see here, the color of the ribbon on my soap basket is green. The reason po bakit ito napili ko kasi isa ito sa favorite color ng mama ko nung siya ay nabubuhay pa. Green is not just a color but it has a significant impact to my life. Even though she is no longer with us, I wanted to honor her memory by incorporating her favorite color into the gift. She is my inspiration for making this soap basket because while doing this, I remember those moments we share, her love, guidance, and her sacrifices for me when she's still alive. So the act of wanting to give the soap basket to my mother in heaven was a way of expressing my love and remembrance for her despite her physical absence.